Look at that, gone. All right. So I just removed the anode rod to the water heater. You see it's completely gone. Good timing. We're about to put a new one in that bad boy. Bingo. Let's see. See, I removed the anode here. Bingo. Amen. We're gonna put the new one in. Go get some pipe dope. Oh, have it. See. I'm gonna put some pipe dope here. We got the anode rod here. Don't know nothing about this here, right? So, man. So I'm about to put a little bit of seal here on this here. Stuff is really sticky. You should put gloves on. I don't ever listen to anybody, so I deal with the consequences. Here we go. And these anode rods here, they are 1 1/16 socket. Amen. So you can see we're sliding it right up in there. Bingo, bingo. Right, I'm gonna drop it in there nicely. Boom. You see, I had to cut all this right here to be able to get to it nicely. So it's righty tighty, lefty loosey. Right. Right. Then I grab my drizzle here. Right. Remember, we don't want to drain it. See, got that anode in there. It's only drained about a quarter. We're gonna fill it back up with water, right? Because it's warm. It's still hot. Just by mixing it, we'll just bring warmth in. It won't bring direct cold. Here we go. So we mix it all up. There you go. Shut it down here. Let's go see what she look like. We're still flushing. Remember, we are not draining. We are flushing. Do not drain your water heater. All right, this is a different brand that I put in. This is a magnesium one. See if it'll last longer than the other ones. Because the other ones, they're just deteriorating in a year. So, right, so that's that. I will teach you guys how to clean the combustion as well. Make sure your vent's always connected. You don't want carbon monoxide going into your garage, possibly even killing you one day. All right.